Hi everyone. Sorry, I'm not using my mic, but I'll try so hard so that my voice will be audible. Welcome to today's episode. I am Queen Omada. Today we'll be discussing how to export turmeric from Nigeria. Right? So why should you care? Why should you export turmeric from Nigeria? Number one, it has a very low EOP. It takes 3.5 million naira to farm 1 hectare of turmeric compared to ginger that takes about 25 million naira to farm an hectare. So it's really cheap. Two, turmeric is rugged, like a rugged dye. So you don't need to go and be putting chemicals, herbicide, pesticide, fertilizer. It just grows on your own. The guy knows send your papa. It grows on your own, right? So it's very rugged. It's not susceptible to disease where you say, oh, I need to take care of this so that in case of crop failure, right? Yeah, and the price of turmeric is within 3,000, around 2,000, depend on the season anyway, between $2,100 to 3,000 USD, right, in the international market. Okay, so what are the various steps you need to export turmeric? Number one, you do your research. Like I said, I'll put a video on how to do research on the description section. Then number two, register your business. Again, like I said, you don't need too much registration. Get your CAC and your NEPC certificate. I've seen a lot of people that will reach out to me and say, oh, Debbie, I have this, I have organic, I have this one, I have NAFDAC, I have this. My brother, why are you crying more than the bereaved? Don't go and kill yourself with certification. Me, how many certification I get? Most times, I have buyers that will tell you, we don't buy product with certification because the more the certification, the more expensive it is. Oh yeah, if you don't know. And most of this certification, you renew every single year. Do you know that? So some buyers, generally, they don't buy product with certification because they know that you come and put the cost for them. So any certification that you will get is what your buyer asks you to get. So certification is market driven. Don't just go and get certification, say I want to enter export, they say I'll get all your certification, this one. So sometimes we make this export look so complicated. I was doing export for the first few years, I don't have one certificate. So don't go and start piling certificate that will expire the next year, you are renewing and say buyer will not even send you. So if you must get certificate, is when your buyer asks you and he's ready to pay very good for that product. So back to our discussion, you register your business. When I say register, you get your CAC and your export license. You get your CAC for 40,000 naira. You get your export license for 13,500. Number three, you find your buyers through the research I'm going to show you. I will drop the link on the description section of how to do basic research. And again, I also drop a link on how to get real buyers. I did a video on that. It will help you, right? Then number four, find a product, in this case, turmeric. And how do you get exportable turmeric to export? You have four choices. Number one, you farm by yourself. And I said you need about 3.5 million naira for 1 hectare. If you need 100 hectares, that is 3.5 million naira times 100 hectares. Option two, you get a contract farmers and contract it out. Option three, you work with smallholder farmers. And option four, you buy during when it's very cheap and you store. This I am really interested. I'm open for collaboration. If you have money or you have the means to buy this product when it's cheap during season and you are really ready for business, please, you can speak with me. And how do you speak with me? Turn on your notification bell so that when I post new videos, I usually stay online the first 24 hours so that I can collaborate with people, I can take inquiries, I can answer questions, I can also learn from you. Please turn on the notification bell. It's very important, not just because I want to grow the channel. That is a way I feel like we can really talk, right? Then number five, agree on payment terms. Please, if the payment terms is not good, don't export. Some people will say, we'll pay you 30 days after export. What's that? We'll pay you 60 days after export. Who go they give you the money to export? Nigeria, where nobody sent you. Right? So agree on a befitting payment terms that works for you. That is number 5. Number 6, prepare your documentation. Like I said, the major document you should worry about is the phytosanitary certificate, your certificate of origin, your CAC, and your export license. Shikena. Other export document, get a very good freight forwarder and logistic partner. It will handle it. Document like packing list and all those other ones, you will discuss with them. That is what we do. Nobody should scare you with all those excessive documentation. Then number 7, ship the goods. Number 8, comply with regulations. Regulation from your country, regulation from the country that you are exporting to. So let's say you're exporting to Germany, you comply with the regulation of Germany, because sometimes they will say, don't ship in only 20 kg bags. Our people cannot carry 50 kg bag. Don't put kg, put pounds. Don't put pounds, put kg, or put so unit of measurements. Don't use so shipping material. So comply with the regulation, of which you would have discussed with your buyers. Okay, most of, for me that is into industrial export, most of our buyers are more on personal relationship. We discuss on WhatsApp. They tell you what is obtainable and what is not obtainable, right? Yeah. So number 9, submit the documents to the bank or relevant agency so that you can be paid. Depend on what you agree. Like I said, most time with my buyer, I agreed on payment against scan documents, where I just scan my document and I get paid. But if you have not built a relationship, most buyers will not agree. Then number 9, collect your payment. Collect the money, right? That is number 10, right? So just to recap, research number 1, register your business number 2, number 3, find buyer, number 4, find product, number 5, agree on payment terms, number 6, prepare document, number 7, ship goods, number 8, comply with regulation, number 9, submit document, number 10, collect the payment. Just to emphasize why you should export turmeric, like I said, it's cheaper, right? It's easy to farm. It grows everywhere. It's not like this one that say, oh, it grows in the north, it doesn't grow in the south. Turmeric grows everywhere, mark my word, everywhere in Nigeria, right? And the market is very massive. There's always requests. In fact, turmeric is the product that I have the largest order. And then let me give you one secret. Most Oyibo, they don't like to grind turmeric. They say it makes them yellow. So when they grind turmeric and they go out, they look like they have yellow fever. So it's something that they like to do outside. So most time they want you to produce turmeric. They don't want to produce it. They want to use it. They want you to produce it, grind it, do everything before bringing it to them. So they do a lot of that in India, because India have the milling machine and everything. So we can also do that in Nigeria. Okay, so this is one aspect I think you can really look into. Turmeric is a good export. Check on the description box to actually learn how to do research on how to find buyers, turmeric buyers, and the country that really need turmeric the most. Okay, so we have come to the end of this video. Please do well to share this video to anyone that you really care about and you want to empower, right? Do well to share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that we can collaborate. For example, for turmeric, for those people that like to buy turmeric when it's cheap and store it, I'm also open to that collaboration. And how do you discuss with me? It is the first 24 hours after I post video. I am always available, reading the chat, willing to listen to you, willing to collaborate with you, willing to learn from you. So please turn on the notification bell, not just to grow this channel, but just so that you don't block me from talking to you. Thank you so much, and I hope this video makes sense to you. I'll see you in our next video. Bye for now. Bye.